Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about getters and setters. These are the two methods used in Java program. The setter is used to store data inside variable, while getter is used to retrieve that data when we need it. So let's start. Create a new class. Here we declare a variable. Home we need getters and setters. Suppose we create a string with the variable of name. So to make its setter, simply write public void set name, and inside these parentheses we need to pass a parameter. So this parameter will get the value and pass it to name variable. So to create a getter, we need to make a return type of function to string. Return the name in which value is stored. So create a main function here. To use methods inside class, we need an object. So let's create object for class. Initialize the class. Now we will use the object to access class methods. Simply call set name and set name like John. So we have passed this value in this parameter. So to get this stored value, we will write the print statement and again use object of class and access getter method get name. So let's execute it. Here we can see our program is compiled and executed successfully. If you find this video helpful, do like the video and subscribe the channel.